just a magical moment for the participant. They are really transformed from someone they are not so comfortable with data and story. Now at the end, really can see the difference, right?
Indeed. For me, I personally learned a lot about pivot table, Power Query, how to streamline our data and then turn it to a dashboard myself from Sifu himself. And of course, more importantly, the last part of the second day where we allow all the participants to actually do it themselves, do the data, the dashboard, the presentation, the storytelling.
I learned a lot from how I present myself to my boss with the data in my hand, as well as to improvise the visuals, all the technical skills of it.
What I like about this course is we can learn about Power Query.
I actually love about the dashboard, the HR dashboard. They are very powerful.
I like how the data, when it transforms into dashboard, is very wonderful and very powerful. We can also learn how to tell story about the dashboard from the dashboard itself. What I like the most about this training is the trainer lah. They are very experienced in their background. It's also a customized training. So that is what I like about this training.
Some of them also will tell us that this is a very special training because this training, we also give everyone a copy of our book, Excel for HR.
Yes.
Wow. So we want to see you in our next cohort.
Yeah.
All right, join us for our next Excel for HR training.
Yes.
All right, see you.
See you.
Excel for